Hi
What's up?
Faridun, what's
Uh,
up? Looking
all good.
fresh.
How? Thank you very much. And you are looking fresh as well. And
Thank
very good
you.
to hear you.
I am in Bangalore right now. I decided to come home because I thought it will be much easier, to deal with this whole thing at home. So yeah, I'm in Bangalore
Absolutely.
right now. How have you been?
I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing pretty
Hmm.
well, and I'm talking to a lot of wonderful celebrities like you, and
Ah,
that has been a great experience for me.
always,
So
always
just
happy to talk to you. And I hope
thank you
everything
very much.
out there is safe and good.
Uh, yeah, there are cases in Mumbai. So
Right.
it's tough, but I think it's tough for almost everyone. It is still developing. So we
Mm-hmm.
can just hope for the best. And so personally, I've not moved out. I moved out only once in the last 25, 26
That's
days in the
great.
lockdown.
That's great. So
So I
you're
think
following
that is
lockdown completely.
that is something that people should follow. So what has been your schedule like in the lockdown?
Mine, oh God. Okay, so I've been sleeping really late. I've been waking up a little late. I have been watching a lot of things, cleaning, doing a little bit of cooking, doing some online courses,
Right.
painting, all sorts of things, putting a lot of like DIY homemade masks and just yeah.
All right. So what all have you been cooking?
Oh, okay. I made a chutney the other day. I learned how so I'm not a great cook. I've learned how to make tea in this whole time. I've learned how to make chutney, green chutney. I've learned how to bake. I baked a cake. I have what else? I was around, when they were making some dals and all of that. So very basic things that I can also use. I'm just trying to learn.
All right.
But I'm
And
doing
what?
an online course actually. That's very interesting. I'm doing an acting course from New York Film Academy, which is online, and it's great because I get to learn so much. I'm also doing a script writing and direction course. So yeah, doing a lot of like film related stuff.
So script writing fascinates you as well.
Script writing is great. It's not something that I really see myself doing, but I think that a character is born when someone writes a script, right? So somewhere I feel it'll help me to understand characters much better. So that is actually the reason why I thought I should. And plus, Faridun, I'm not trained. So this is my only opportunity to train myself and to become like maybe a method actor or something. I don't know, but yeah, it's my
Oh,
only
that's
opportunity. Yeah, to do
no, but
something.
I think
Mm-hmm.
since the first film itself, like the Munna Michael, for example, that's how we came to
Yeah.
know. I think you're pretty natural. You're pretty good.
Thank you.
We
Thank you.
discussed
I
that in the
mean,
past as well.
we have. I remember all of our lovely interviews we have, and yeah, I mean, so I'm 6 films old now, and I'm a totally spontaneous actor, and I think that works really well for me. But sometimes I do feel like I need a method. On some days, I feel like I need something to fall back on. Some days you're not maybe feeling spontaneous. So, which is why I think it's always nice. And sometimes, if you're having a conversation with, say, your DOP or with the director, maybe you don't know the right words to use to ask them what you want to ask. So, maybe these things will help me, you know,
All right.
just
Okay.
to be
And
more confident. Yeah.
right. And what all have you been watching?
Oh God, so many things. So I watched the whole of Riverdale. I watched Shark Tank. I watched Money Heist. Not the whole thing. I'm still watching it. I watched a couple of very interesting films. There was a film called Trance that I watched yesterday, and I absolutely loved it. You should watch it, and I think it should be remade in Hindi. It'll do amazing if it is made in Hindi. I watched this movie called Lens. I have watched. I'm watching a little bit of Mahabharat here and there because my parents are watching it on Hotstar. I think it's there. So whenever I'm going downstairs, I'm just like catching up on it a little bit. What else have I watched? I'm watching like Big Bang Theory when I'm eating my food because that's comedy and it's always nice to watch comedy. You just keep yourself in a good mood. And yeah, a lot of things here and there. Yeah.
Right. All right. So in the recent past, your film Down South, they've been doing really well.
Yes, thank you.
You've been delivering hits after hits. Tell us how your last 1 year has been like.
It's been amazing. I did an Insta flight count and I took 163 flights last year. I definitely won't be taking those many this year because of this whole lockdown. But I mean, that's
163
how
times.
busy. Yeah, 163. So that's how busy it's been. But I love it. Like, I'm a total, I wouldn't like to say workaholic, but I like being busy. I like having my day packed. And so it's been very busy. I have had some releases, I've had a lot of shooting, and lot of events, lot of brands, lot of just everything. Last year has been totally amazing. In fact, I
Great.
had one release with Puri Jagannath sir, who's also making
Yes.
something in Hindi now with Vijay. So our film released, I think, in May, June, something like that. So that was my last release, and that film actually did really well.
It did
So
really well, and even I think it did exceedingly well, rather.
it did, it did.
And
Finally, we've joined the 100 crore club, so I've got a
yes,
membership. I've got an entry into that club, so I'm very happy.
and that
And
too for a for a like a regional language film to do that, that is humongous because it's not in Hindi or
absolutely, absolutely. I mean, but he's a
limited
very
audience.
celebrated director, very commercial. Like, even that film is very, very commercial. So it really got into the B and C centers. So, because I think the films I've done before that in the South have not been as commercial. So I really got to see like the B crowd, the C crowd, everything during promotions.
So definitely, and what has also emerged, so you've always been glamorous, but what this particular movie has showcased you has been, I think, really in a very glamorous manner. I
Completely,
think the
yeah.
strong sequences they've been next level in terms of the grandeur and the opulence.
Yeah.
So do you feel that you have been presented in a manner which is something that makes you this mass queen in a way as well now?
Definitely. I mean, people, they have a term in the South for a lot of people. A lot of people have started calling me Golden Star. I don't really know
Golden Star.
exactly. Yeah, Golden Star. That's the tag I'm getting. And I love it. I think it's great. I think when you get a couple of hits, people give you that golden leg, golden star term or whatever. So, I mean,
Yeah.
it's great. But that's all because of Puri sir. He's been around for 20 years. Yesterday was actually his 20-year celebration. Not celebration. We didn't celebrate. We will celebrate later. But yesterday was his 20 years in the industry, and he's made, I think, more than 30, 35 films. And I think he knows how to present a heroine, and he would take like one take. That's it. Sometimes it's a bit scary as an actor because you're like, wait, what did I even do? Can I do one more? By the time you ask for it, already the next setup is going on. So that's completely thanks to him, and I love playing the glamorous part. I think it was a lot of fun. It was not very, very easy, but yeah, it was a lot of fun. But also, I was a neuroscientist, so I had a lot of like science dialogues.
Yeah, because the interesting part as far as you are concerned is that you're this fine actress who can um, who can hold her own against even the best of actors, but at the same time you have a natural propensity for glamour and looking very attractive on screen, which is I
Thank
think which is always because
I
actresses
hope
either take.
so. Because sometimes I get some people who are like, okay, Nidhi, oh yeah, Nidhi is glamorous. So it's kind of become like a box they're putting me into. But I feel right now, because I'm so new, I don't mind it. But eventually I would like to break it. But that is generally the perception about me right now. Yeah.
All right, and you've been a very fine dancer since your first film itself, and
Thank
that
you.
that's what we are getting to see as well. So when you get these massive dance sequences, hundreds of dancers, and like a full on
Mm-hmm.
CT level
Mm-hmm.
songs, how's
Yeah.
been your experience? And have you been to cinema halls to witness that experience?
I have, and it is madness. Like with our film, I remember we promoted in many, many, many places post the release, and we would just go in between and just they would create a stage for us. We would go out there, talk to people, interact with them, and people were going crazy because it's a massy masala, dialogue, dance, glamour. I think there's a certain set of audience who loves that, and yeah, so the reaction was crazy. There were a lot of people who were like, I've come for the seventh time, or I've come for the third time. Or so I think multiple viewing is much more prominent in the South, I feel,
Yes.
which is why the films end up doing so well, even though the region is, smaller.
Yeah, because in a way, they have this fascination for actors and stars, and piracy is under check because of that. Because
So, yeah.
patrons, they want to actually watch the movies in
Mhm.
cinemas. All right,
Mhm.
what about Hindi cinema?
So
When do we see that
Hindi,
big
very
announcement? That big,
soon. You know, honestly, Faridun, I think after my first film released itself, you know what happened. We've discussed this on your show itself. But after that, I kind of became so busy for like a year and a half, 2 years, that I wasn't really in town. Like I wasn't really in Bombay following up, meeting people. Absolutely nothing. I mean, every time I would be spotted by the Paps was the times I was in the city, which is very, very, I mean, hardly anything. But this year I had decided that, okay, I am going to, just focus a little bit more on Hindi, because I think now I've had enough experience. I think now I'm like 600 times better. I've just understood a certain things that it took me a while to understand. Maybe even a little bit about the way the industry is. I think it took me some time to understand that, but now I feel like I'm getting it.
all right, and
Like just
so
in terms of PR and everything, very honestly, during my first film, I didn't really give it much importance. Like I used to just find it like, oh God, now it looks so bad if I try and do this or try and do that. But I see so many people doing these things, and now I feel like, why didn't I do this? I could have done it. Everyone's doing it. So certain things I've learned now that it's okay, you can do it. Like, yeah.
no, absolutely, that's there. Okay, and so you said that you've been watching a lot of web series and shows
Mm-hmm.
on the OTT platforms.
Lots.
Now,
Even
considering
special ops
considering
I watch. Yeah.
special ops work. Okay, considering that we're having this extraordinary situation right now because of COVID, and we don't know how the future is going to be like, and there are all sorts of speculation about cinema halls and when they'll finally open up.
Right.
And a lot of emphasis right now is on the OTT platform. So,
Mhm.
can we see you? Can we see you being part of any film or any series on the OTT platforms? Does that excite
So,
you?
yeah, I mean, I had a release on the 1st of May, but now obviously that's gotten postponed. I don't know when we'll release. This is my first Tamil film. It's with Jayam Ravi. It's called Bhumi. And yeah, I mean, I don't know when it will release, but honestly, this is my best performance. So I was waiting for it to release and for people to see it. But I don't know. Yeah, I really hope, things open up soon. I think it will take a little bit of time, maybe July, August, September, for public places like theaters and everything to open up. But I think keeping in mind the bigger cause, maybe it's the right thing to do, because otherwise we'll open up everything, then again everything will shut down. So I think maybe it's better to just take our time and to really minimize the number of patients everywhere, and then to open things up. But I think, I don't know, but at some level I feel like things are going to change forever, because we're not going to be giving people high fives and air kisses and everything. So I wonder, like, from
Even
every level
handshake,
to
even handshake.
handshakes, it's just become namaste now. That, yeah, Indian culture is great, huh? With the namaste and the water instead of toilet paper and the turmeric and everything. We've become world famous. But yeah, I think everything is going to change after this.
Right. Okay. All right. Let's take a few questions.
Sure. But how have you been, Faridun? What have you been doing in this time?
So as I told you, I think one of the most
Mm-hmm.
important things in these circumstances is to have a routine. So I tend to I just water my plants and
How
find time
nice.
to just wash my terraces on a daily basis. And it's important to have a routine. And then I'm talking to you
And
people
have you been
on a daily basis.
singing? Because I remember you're a really good singer. So have you been singing during
So
this time?
I've been singing like off and on.
Oh, you
And,
have? Lovely.
yeah.
Yeah, because I remember you're a very, very good singer. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. So this is Prerna is saying, "Ma'am, you are so beautiful and sweet."
Thank
So how do
you,
you
Fred.
handle these compliments for your looks, which must be like a very regular feature?
No, that's very sweet of them. Thank you, guys. I mean, I just realized the lighting here is horrible. I thought I'll get some good light sitting here, but it's very bad. Next time I will come in better light. But for some
All
reason
right.
on my phone, I just was not able to go live. So I'm using my sister's phone. I don't know
Oh,
what's
okay.
up. I can't even get it repaired now. Yeah, everything is shut.
Right. Mohammed Saiful is
Mhm.
saying, "Hey, beautiful." Apla status is saying, "Love you."
Love
And
you guys.
coming
Thank you for
below.
coming.
Okay. Okay. Prerna is saying, "I love your picture, Smart Shankar."
Thank you. Smart Shankar
Shifan,
has really gone quite viral.
yes, it has. Okay. Smart is saying, "Hi, Nidhi." Loknath is saying, "Hello." Let's see if anyone is
So
having.
I saw one girl, someone asked me, do you like long hair or short hair? I like long hair, but I'm very tempted to cut my hair in this time because I think by the time we get out, it'll grow out anyway. So I should just cut it maybe on my own.
Okay. Niklesh is saying, "Hello, Nidhi. मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ."
Thank you, Niklesh. Very sweet of you. But ask me about the language, Faridun, how I'm managing with South languages.
Please tell me.
So I feel like I've learned Telugu 80%. Now I've done what? Three films. I'm shooting my fourth one right now. So I've learned pretty much 80% of Telugu. Tamil, I've done only one. So I really don't know it. But I thought of learning it in this break, but I'm not able to. So I'll just give it two more films to, learn the language.
And what about Kannada?
Kannada, though I don't know a word of Kannada because I mean, my school was an international school, so we never had Kannada. I just had like English and Hindi. So Kannada, तो मुझे एक शब्द नहीं आता कन्नड़ा का.
So Kannada as well, I think, even the Kannada industry is huge. Yash
Mm-hmm.
is there, KGF 2 will
First
be coming
KGF,
up.
yeah, yeah.
So
No,
even,
it is huge actually. I think their films, some of them are doing very well. There's KGF 2 is also coming up
yes,
soon, so I think it's
yes.
really growing very fast.
Right, so a lot of compliments. Nidhi, someone is saying Nidhi, Diamond,
Diamond, great.
Golden be hai, Diamond be hai, okay.
Acha,
Prem Chand saying, I love you. Lucky saying, ma'am, you are my life, ma'am. Norman is saying,
sweet. How
hello.
sweet people.
Awais is saying, hi, Didi,
But
love from
Faridun,
Canada.
what do you feel? Like, when do you think this whole thing will end, and when do you think things will start to normalize? I mean, I'm missing shoot. I was missing shoot so much. I did like a webcam shoot. I'm really missing shoot, and I'm missing dancing the most. When do you think we
You
can go
know,
back to shoot?
so I did a live chat with a doctor from New York. So
Okay.
she's an anesthesiologist in Long Island, New York. And so she just gave me a perspective of what really happened and how they deal with it and how dangerous it is because for anesthesiologists, they have to intubate serious patients for
Okay.
ventilators and all that. So, uh,
Mm-hmm.
see, it's going to be, no one knows how much time it's going to take because it is such a contagious virus. It's
It
extremely
is.
contagious. And there's so many examples. So I was told today only that there was this lady. She was like a, she was on dialysis. She had no contact with the external world except for going hospital once for dialysis. And by the time she
Mm-hmm.
came back, she was having fever, and it was discovered that she's having COVID.
Oh,
So maybe she got it in the hospital or to the nurse or anyone else. So it's extremely contagious. So we don't know how much time it's going to take, and because vaccine is expected by latest by October maybe because in UK apparently there's a vaccine that has been discovered.
probably. Yeah.
Till the time
Absolutely.
vaccine comes in, we don't know. So I think no one knows anything right now. And it's very understandable that people are getting restless. All of us are. But
Yeah.
what we can learn from other people's experience
True.
in Italy and Spain, France, especially. Now, what happened was that people they got bored
Mm-hmm.
and they jumped the quarantine. They got bored and they just went to restaurants, they just moved out, to beaches,
Yeah.
and it proved catastrophe. Same with
Oh.
USA. Same with USA. So in USA, it was trending in the morning. So in Denver,
Huh.
there are people who are protesting that they want the lockdown to be lifted. And there were two healthcare workers. They were standing in the middle of the road and they were
Uh-huh.
trying to persuade people that if you guys come out in the streets or out in the open, we are at risk.
Oh.
And there were people who were literally banging and shouting that. So it is a very tough situation for everyone. People are having mental health
Yeah,
issues.
it is. It is. Yeah.
Yeah, and domestic violence is becoming like I think a big
I
issue
heard
right now.
about this. I heard about this yesterday. Actually, I'm sure,
Yeah.
we don't realize it, but I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure it is. Yeah. It's very
So,
sad.
it's very important to stay busy and take each day as it
Oh,
comes,
tell me
and
about it. And
don't
be
be ashamed of
positive,
being happy.
I Yeah,
Be
like
happy
I
because
meditate every day for almost an hour these days because I know that I need to keep my mind in a certain space to be happy, to be positive, to not lose hope, to not be frustrated at home. So, yeah, I mean, I think everyone needs to just find what works for them and just do that every day, whether it's
absolutely,
exercise.
and
Yeah.
take each day that comes. Don't think too far because the moment you
Mm-hmm.
start thinking too far, the element of fear will set in that what
Right.
is going to
But
happen,
right
what is
now,
going
we just need to be happy and thankful that, okay,
to be
thank God,
happy.
at least I'm home. Thank God we have our meals. Thank God
That's
we
it.
have, we're pretty comfortable. So, which is why we're able to do all of these other things. I mean, I feel very bad for people who can't do these things. Yeah.
Right? And if we can help anyone, we should, we must.
Definitely.
But
Most definitely.
most importantly, we should not risk. We should not take risks. We should not take chances because the
Right.
fact is that if
Right.
we are taking chances, we are putting ourselves at risk. Once we are putting ourselves
Mm-hmm.
at risk, we're putting other people at risk who
Mm-hmm.
are in contact with
Mm-hmm.
us. So जैसे उसमें कहते हैं ना वो एयरलाइंस में जो एक शुरू में जो बोलते हैं कि that दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले खुद की सहायता करिए.
खुद की सहायता कर लीजिए प्लीज या बिकॉज
अगर
इफ यू
आपने
डू
खुद की
योरसेल्फ
सहायता
डोंट हैव एन ऑक्सीजन मास्क how will you save someone else? You can't.
exactly.
Which is why, I mean, one more thing I would encourage people to just make your own masks at home because leave the surgical mask for doctors. They need it. We don't have
We,
enough facilities right now. So I think even
we,
small things like this make a huge difference.
no, absolutely. They are very very crucial actually. And
Completely.
part is to just cover the face. That is the important part.
But I think now
Okay.
this is going to become. Tell me something. How are all of the looks going to come out with constantly covering your face on a lighter note? It's going to become like a fashion
So,
statement, no? Probably.
so I was doing this chat with Urvashi Rautela, the actress.
Okay.
She dances very well and she's extremely
Yeah.
glamorous person.
Yeah.
So she told me, I asked her a similar question that how will you guys do intimate scenes on screen now? And she's
How will
like,
you even touch a person? You're going to be like, oh wait.
so she said
Yeah.
that I was telling my parents that आप लोगों की तो शादी हो गई हमारी तो शादी भी नहीं हुई हम तो कुछ कर भी नहीं पाए अभी तक
But it's true. I think this is the
and
thought. But
and
if you see on a
and,
psychological
and she
level,
said
actually,
she
this is
said
a
she said one
very
very interesting
traumatic.
thing. She
Yeah.
said very interesting thing that I think we'll have to kiss by wearing masks now.
Probably.
So
Probably.
it is
No, but if you see on a psychological level, actually, this is a very traumatic thing, like on a very underlying level. You can't step out. You can't, be close to people. You can't touch anybody. You can't touch your own face. Like so many don'ts, right?
it is there but see it is something 1918 में ऐसा हुआ था पहले pandemic उसके बाद it is happening now.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I think no matter what, we should remain positive because what happens
Yeah.
is like once you look back at this phase, maybe say 10 years down the line, so you'll realize that it was a period of 6 months to 1 year maybe, and once the vaccine is there and
Correct.
things do become normalized eventually. So no matter what happens, things do return back to normalcy one way or the
I
other.
think
So
so.
I think
Yeah.
we should be positive. We should remain positive, and
Definitely.
it should become like once the vaccine is there, it's being said that in
Even I
US,
believe that once the vaccine is there, everything will be okay. We just need that vaccine to come
and even the
out.
medicine may be manufactured in June this year itself in US. That's what they're saying.
Yes. But
So
I'm
they
reading
will.
some. I have a question. I've been reading something about how the people who've recovered from the virus should donate their blood because they've already made the
Plasma.
immune.
Yeah.
So what is that about? Like, is that true?
Because see what is happening is Amir has tweeted about this today. Hrithik Roshan has tweeted about this today. So
Okay.
what happens is that if you are a COVID patient, for example, and
Mm-hmm.
see maximum cases, it is symptoms are mild. And
Yes.
maybe a few of the occasions you wouldn't even come to know about it, and you'll be fine after some time. It's like a flu. So
Mm-hmm.
people are having COVID, and they know that they're having COVID. Once they recover from it, so they develop antibody,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
if you donate blood to other people,
Mm-hmm.
people who are, for example, then they get antibodies as well, and they find they
They can
develop
also fight it.
against it.
I
Yeah,
think
so
this is a good
that's how it is.
solution for like right now, no? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So
It's
that
the
is
only
something which
solution
is.
I can see right now. Yeah.
There will be a way. I'm sure that there will be a way. Even in Wuhan, for
Mm-hmm.
example, they've opened it up now. So and it's back
Okay.
to normal. China is everything is fine. Like China only
China is fine now. we
breathing and
also we also need to get there, I think. No?
yes, I think it will happen. It will happen eventually. It will happen. So
Yes.
there will be changes. Even because you know what is happening right now is that because of washing the hand, people the way they are restlessly washing their hands all the time. A
Mm-hmm.
lot of other diseases which used to happen through germs and other sort of viruses because of the fact that you did not clean the hands properly,
Wash
that
your
has
hands,
been
yeah.
reduced like massively.
Oh, so this is a positive sign. This is a
It is
good
a
thing to
problem.
look. Yeah,
It is
yeah, great.
yeah,
Great.
because now we're
No,
taking
but
care of
people,
hygiene so much.
I really feel like all of this is there, but more than anything, we all will come out of the lockdown much more gratitude. We'll appreciate the
It
smallest
should.
things in life. Like we'll appreciate sitting in a car and going on a drive or eating an ice cream or I don't know, anything and everything we will appreciate, I
Absolutely.
think. No?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Because I think we all just kind of in between it got crazy. People didn't know what they were doing. Everything became very like a race. So this has really slowed things down and got us all to realize what's important in life, which is
Absolutely.
health and family. That's it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I think small
Yeah.
pleasures of life, that is something that we need to value. All right, let's take a
Yes.
few more questions. Satyam Mehta is saying, I'm a big fan. Shadab is saying,
Thank
love you, Nidhi.
you.
So the
I
Tiger is saying, love you, Nidhi. So,
love you guys
any memories,
too.
memories of Tiger Shroff? What are the memories of Tiger Shroff?
Oh, Tiger. Memory of Tiger Shroff would be that he's a lot of fun. He is extremely funny and obviously very hardworking and all that now everybody knows. But
Yeah,
he was a very fun co-star, to have always joking around and he would have the most random and unexpected things that he would say. So yeah, he was a lot of fun. So it's fun to be around him.
all right. Ravi Agarwal is asking, any next Bollywood movie on the cards?
Soon, actually, I do consciously want to focus on Bollywood this year, and I will very soon. But I also think it's a great time to be working in all three industries. So I'm kind of just making my foundation now. And yeah, Bollywood तो हिंदी तो मेरी लैंग्वेज है तो करना ही है बॉलीवुड तो उसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है.
All right, Vamsi Kondra Gunta is asking, favorite hero in Tollywood, Nidhi Agarwal. Who's your favorite hero?
Oh, this is a very tough question. Favorite hero in Tollywood. Let me just say Pavan Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan. Okay. Uh, Patra Vibhu, Vi- Patra Vibhu Datta. Single
Mhm.
or in a relationship?
I'm single, and so I've treated this whole time. I mean, I don't know where my phone is half the day, and it's completely okay. I'm watching something, I'm busy, I'm doing my own thing. Yeah, I'm completely single, and I'm very happy.
Okay, so now how do you deal with the fact that people tend to follow whom you are following and whom you have unfollowed?
Oh God, do they do that?
No, someone was just
Really?
asking that apparently you unfollowed KL Rahul. That's what
No,
someone was
I'm
asking.
still following him. In fact, it was his birthday yesterday or day before. I think day before yesterday. I am following him, and we are friends. And he's a very good cricketer. He's a Bangalore boy. I'm a Bangalore girl, so I'll always be very proud of him. I've known him for a very long time. So no, I have not unfollowed him. I'm
And we are
still
just good
following.
friends. We are
Yeah,
good
we're
friends.
just friends, definitely. But yes, I'm still following him, and everything is still the same.
All right. Vishant 9741. I have seen all movies of yours except Mr. Majnu.
Oh Oh, so Mr. Majnu is my most, I think, de-glam, the most innocent girl I have played, and it was nice. I mean, I shot in London for 50 days for that film, and it was too much fun. And yeah, actually, in the lockdown, I've been getting the most messages about Mr. Majnu,
Okay,
saying
so
that we're watching it.
163 days that you were traveling,
Mm-hmm.
air travel that you did last year. How much of it was foreign travel, and how much of it was travel within India?
Lot, a lot of it was foreign travel. I mean, I've shot in New York for about 15 days. I've shot in London for 50 days, and then you tend to shoot even around those areas. And which other place? Yeah, Maldives. I went to the Maldives to shoot a song. We shot in Goa also for Smart Shankar. So I've traveled. I mean, Goa's not abroad, but I mean, Maldives, yeah. So I've traveled quite a bit. But I think now all
Okay.
of the abroad travel is going to stop for some time. Let's just
Ah,
shoot
it
it.
will
Yeah.
happen. It will happen. It will happen.
Yeah.
Okay, Raveen Reddy is saying, "Hello Nidhi, you are such a beautiful lady, always energetic." Sufyan is saying, "I'm your very big fan." Ravi is saying, I'm the biggest fan of yours." Okay,
Thank you, Ravi.
I am Hussain Tariq saying, "Ma'am, your acting is awesome."
Thank you, Hussein. I really want you to see Bhumi. That is my best acting that is coming up. It's
So,
my most hyper role that I've done. It's the craziest role. Anytime that director would ask me to do a certain thing, I'd just be like, how is it even possible to do this? But somehow it would just happen.
so which compliment is something that you find very fascinating? You as a fantastic actress, or you as a very fine, sexy actress?
I think a fantastic actress because see all of this is there right now because of my age. I mean, I'm really young, so it's there. With age, eventually later, a lot of things will change. But I think if you want to stay in the game, be in the whole acting field for a very long time, then you've got to be a fine actress. But I don't take any pressure because I think everything happens with time. So right now, this is amazing. And maybe after 1 or 2 years, I'll start choosing films that'll put me in that category as well.
So, do you read all the comments on your wonderful pictures on Instagram? Are you amused when you read
Sometimes
the
I do it. Yeah, sometimes I do. It depends on my mood. Like sometimes I do, sometimes I really don't, because you're just like, okay, right now I definitely just want to be in a good space. I don't want to get irritated about some comment. Some comments, if I ever read like a bad one, I feel like replying. On Twitter, sometimes I reply because I find on Twitter people are very mean sometimes, much more than Instagram.
Yeah.
But no, not really. Sometimes depends on my mood. Like if my
But
picture very
I'm
cute
sure,
and all, I
I'm sure
reply.
maximum
Not, I
comments
don't
must be
reply.
really, maximum comments must be really, really nice. They must be really cool
Yeah,
comments.
yeah. So 99, 95, 99% comments are always nice. But you read 10, not 10, you read 100 nice things and one bad
Ah,
thing. And you're just like, why would someone say that about me? I mean, I don't really care. But
that
sometimes,
that's
it's like,
understandable. That's
yeah.
okay. Akhil is asking, any movie coming up in Malayalam? Would you like to work in Malayalam?
Oh, Malayalam is an amazing industry. They have actually the most beautiful storytelling. Their DOP is out of this world. And I don't mind if there's something that's really nice, with someone like Dulkar or someone, I really don't mind.
Dulquer Salmaan. Okay,
Hmm.
Partha Sarthi is saying, "Ma'am, my dream is dream pick is to have a pick with you, ma'am, in which I can keep a big frame and keep it in my room. Please give a chance, madam."
Definitely. Please meet me anywhere. I try and give selfies to pretty much everyone. Always. I usually never say no. So meet me and I will definitely give you one. And remind me, I promised you one live, so I'll give it to you.
Okay, Rafi is saying, "Dynamic girl."
Thank
Jeevan is saying,
you.
"Very nice." G. Murali is saying, "You looking hot." Haris is saying,
Thank
"Your biggest fan." Tushar is saying, "You are countless in beauty." Uh,
Thank you guys.
okay, right. Okay, Rushi Parakar saying, "Who's your favorite actor in South?" So you've spoken about Tollywood, but who's your favorite actor in the South industry?
So many people. This is very tough. Many. Kamal Hassan, sir.
Kamal Hassan, sir. Okay, and Suresh, that's a safe answer.
Sorry, which one?
Kamal Hassan, sir, is a safe answer. He's a legend. Obviously, it's
Acha,
like
safe answer like that. So he's a legend now. So there are no two ways about it. Rajnikant, sir.
Rajnikant. Okay, all right. And Suresh is saying, Nidhi, do you have pets?
I do. So I have one dog in Bangalore. His name is Buzo. You'll see him just in the background in many pictures of mine. I have another one in Bombay whose name is Happy, and he's alone right now. I wish I could get him here, but I really can't. I've tried. So I have two dogs.
Two dogs. Deekshit Narayan saying, now from Andhra, is smart Nidhi. Love you a lot.
Love you
So,
too, boss.
smart? Are you called smart as well?
Is smart also sometimes. Because that was our last, film that really did very well. So that tends to happen. So is smart, golden star. These two things.
Golden
Some
star.
people have also they also say Barbie doll Nidhi Agarwal. Like in some articles I've read it like that. So yeah, these three.
Barbie doll.
Barbie doll Nidhi Agarwal. I mean it's great. Yeah, I don't mind it.
Yes, I think you're a Leo, so Leos like compliments.
I'm a Leo, you remember. How
Yeah.
sweet. Yes, of course. Of course.
Okay, so, maximum are just compliments.
How sweet.
Like,
Thank you.
huge fan of you, Nidhi. Karthik is saying.
Thank you,
One is
Karthik.
saying big fan from Bihar. Mr. Kumar is saying big fan from. Another is saying big fan from
Oh,
Bihar.
oh, lovely Bihar.
Yeah. Someone is saying follow me, love you, dear. Wow, Pawan Kalyan. Right. Okay, let me see. Okay, so finally there's a question. PR Science saying, can Tiger Shroff sit at one place to talk, or does he do stunts even while talking?
Let me just give you an. So he sits, but just to be entertaining, he does stunts even while talking.
All
But I
right.
think the biggest
Steve,
stunt is that you wouldn't expect him to talk so much, but he does.
no, he does. If he's comfortable with you, if he opens up, he does.
Totally.
Yeah, he doesn't open up with everyone. He can be
I
with.
think he takes some time. Yeah.
Pradeep Sarkar, Pradeep Partners. We'll take a couple of more questions. Nidhi says, if you can tell something about Bhumi. So Pradeep is saying if you can tell something about Bhumi.
So Bhumi is a very patriotic film. It comes in the whole patriotic zone. It has a lot of comedy, and I'm doing comedy in that. So the comedy element comes from me in the film, and it is about a little bit about organic farming in the second half. So yeah, it is basically a very patriotic film. You will 100% cry in the climax, and the performances are great. There's Jayam Ravi, there is Ronit Roy sir, there is me, and yeah, it's a lovely film. Like I know the posters, people have really liked them because some of it's all different. That's how this director is, and it's Ravi's third film with this director, so they have a really good working
Question.
relationship. And yeah.
Okay, so Nidhi will take one last question, and this is a
Mm.
question that the whole of India would want to know the answer of.
Okay.
Ayush is saying that who is your most favorite cricketer?
Faridun, why? I like many of them. I think obviously Virat Kohli is amazing. He's the Indian captain. There is Rahul, who's also amazing,
KL Rahul.
and KL Rahul, and even Hardik is also really good. And Sachin Tendulkar sir is a legend. So many of them.
Many of them. All right. Okay. So India is happy now. Okay. So Nidhi Agarwal, as always, wonderful talking to you. Thank you for finding time for us on Bollywood and
Lovely
Nama.
talking to you too, Faridun. Please take care, and I'm waiting to see you in person.
No, same here, same here. Whenever you're in Mumbai, we'll surely do this interview like
100%. I'll
Amne
see you with
Nabeen done.
some good news. So then we'll have a lot to
Thank you.
talk about.
Looking
Yeah.
forward. Thank you very
Thanks,
much and stay
Faridun.
safely. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you guys for coming live. Take care. Bye.